Good morning again from Portorož, Slovenia, and another fantastic sunny day. It is amazing. When I see the forecast, it says that it's going to be sunny the whole week. But too bad it is my last day in Slovenia and I need to leave. But it has been a blast so far. I have visited half of the beaches in Slovenia on the coast, and I'm gonna visit a few more today. So after checking out of my hostel, Europa hostel, which surprisingly I was not the only guest yesterday evening. It arrived there was one more guest that I had chat with, a nice talk, a wonderful lady from Slovenia that will be here for visiting the thermal baths here for some physiotherapy. It's because this place, Portorož, is known for its thermal baths. And as I have done beach adventure yesterday here on the very same place, I wanted to start the day once again before I head to towards Koper actually, and visit beaches along the way. Yesterday I have visited 6 different beaches and I have swam in the sea 6 times 10 minutes, so 1 full hour. Let's see if I can top that today. But yeah, another wonderful day. And this is how Portorož looks like on a 14th of October at 9:50. The forecast says it is 14 degrees Celsius, but to me it feels like 24. I don't know how to explain, because it's there is no wind, and I have obviously been exposed to a lot of cold weather recently. So yeah, the water is a bit, there is a little bit of marks here and there of plants. And off we go with the thermometer, because the lady that I was talking to yesterday in the hostel, she was claiming that it's not 22 degrees, despite me saying it is 22 as I have measured. But she was referring to the Google satellite temperatures of 19.6, which it's a bit too cold that compared to my measurements. And bear in mind, those on Google and the sites are satellite measurements, so the actual might differ that I'm measuring now. So sunny morning, and I'm ready to go in for a dive or a jump into the Adriatic Sea. We can see all the way to Croatia on the other side, and if we look around from Piran, we can see also the Italian coast, because the Slovenian coast is very short. Yesterday I have been to 4 nudist beaches, I think, and 2 public ones. So yeah, it was such a blast to visit so many different beaches. And now it's time for me to jump into the sea and start off the day with a nice swim in the sea here in Portorož at Centralna Plaža, Portorož, the Central Beach in Portorož. So yeah, then we are good to go, and I am now going to jump. Whew. That was amazing. That was so amazing. I'm curious what the water temperature it says. Okay, today it is 20 degrees Celsius, so the lady might be right actually, but today might have been a little bit colder due to the night, as it was slightly colder this evening. But I will try to measure it later again on my way to Koper. But 20 degrees is still warm. Now that I saw it, it feels a bit chillier, but not that much. As I was swimming in 13 degrees in Sweden, so this is hot for me. And yeah, day 3 in Slovenia, day 4 in total of my trip now. That started off in Trieste, continued to Umag, and now in Slovenia, the 3rd day. So yeah, tonight I'm going to be in Italy actually, in Trieste again, and I would definitely need to find some more beaches there before my flight tomorrow night. But enjoy this wonderful view of Portorož and the hotels, and there were also some casinos as well. And yeah, on a Tuesday like this, it is not so crowded as not so many people live in Portorož. But on the weekends, it's definitely crowded, especially on a late summer day like this. So yeah, I had a very huge breakfast at the hostel, so I will be then not beating lunch for sure today. Cool, so greetings from Centralna Plaža in Portorož, another beach adventure with Chris, and it's time for me to swim a bit more before I head walk to Koper. It is 13 kilometers, easy peasy for me. I have been walking at least 35,000 steps now for the past 3 days, so it's not a problem for me. What I'm trying to say, on the first day it went 50,000 steps, so yeah, cool. Greetings from Portorož, Slovenia, and let's see where I end up on the next beach on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.